Guys, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys about stock update. So without any further ado, let's get started. First product is Dr. Rach's vitamin C gel. You're getting 380 ml in one tub and the MRP of this product is rupees 250, but you're getting for rupees 220 only. It's a skin whitening gel which removes hyperpigmentation, brown spot and even out skin tone. It is 100% natural, and the good thing about this product, it is made without paraben. Vitamin C gel is 100% original. Please DM me to grab it. The next product is eye lens in the color grey. There are more colors available. You can check it on Instagram, and the price of each lens is for rupees 120. Product is lens case and lens solution from Multi Sol Plus. You're getting lens case and lens solution in one pack, and the MRP of this rupees 80. Please DM me on Insta to grab. This product is Kiss Beauty Concealer and Contour Palette. The price of this product is rupees 150, and you're getting 2 concealer and 3 contour plus a flat end brush. Next product is Hilary Rhoda 2-in-1 compact plus loose powder. Here is the compact powder. This is in the shade 02, and let me show you the loose powder. You're getting a sponge with it which is very soft, and you're getting the loose powder. Please DM me on Insta to grab it. Next product is SFR Contour Bronzer Blush plus Highlight Palette in one. You're getting 4-in-1 palette. So here is the inner packaging. This is the highlighter, contour, blush and bronzer, and you're getting a brush with it. So please DM me on Insta to grab it. This palette is rupees 150 and 3 shades are available. Is Eminence 3-color eyebrow kit. You're getting 2 pencil, black and brown free with it, and let me show you the main product. So here it is, 2 brown and 1 grey, and you're getting a flat end brush with it. The price of this product is rupees 125. Please DM me on Instagram to grab it. Next product is brush set. You're getting 5 brushes with case, and there are more colors available. You can check it on Instagram. The price of this product is rupees 150. Please DM me on Instagram to grab it. These are the brushes you're getting. These 3 are flat ended and 1 is angle, and these 2 are fluffy ones. Is Eminence Super Matte Lip Liner, getting 12 shades in one pack. Getting a mix of nude plus vibrant dark shades in one pack. Please DM me on Instagram to grab it. Is TFF nail glue. The MRP of this product is rupees 85 only. Please DM me on Instagram to grab it. Product is of TFF smudge proof, transfer proof and waterproof eyeliner. This is the inner packaging of the eyeliner, and see the point of it. It is so thin. Is face and body hair threading system. The price is rupees 180 only. Let me show you the inner packaging. Here it is. You're getting the main product and more thread with it. Please DM me on Insta to grab it. But not the least, this is the Hilary Rhoda 2-in-1 eyebrow pencil. You're getting an eyebrow pencil plus a spoolie with it. Now let me show you the inner packaging of it. This is the inner packaging of the eyebrow pencil. Let me show you the spoolie. So this is the spoolie you're getting, and the eyebrow pencil. This is in the shade light brown, and it is super gorgeous. It for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. More update will be coming on my Instagram and on my YouTube too, so don't forget to check it out. Thank you. Bye.